Back, forward mouse buttons do not work in VMware Workstation 6.5 guest-OS. I am using a Logitech G9 mouse and running VMware Workstation 6.5.3 on Vista x64. The guest-OS is WinXP, and has the most current version of VMware tools installed. Left, right buttons and mouse will scrolling work fine in the guest-OS, but the back, forward buttons are apparently not recognized. I have tried installing the Logitech software inside the guest-OS as well, but it still did not recognize the back, forward buttons. I didn't really expect this to work since the guest-OS doesn't actually see the mouse hardware as a Logitech G9 directly anyway. I vaguely remember seeing something a while back about editing the virtual machine config file to specify a 5-button mouse rather than the default 3-button setup, but I can't seem to find any specifics on how to do so in the VMware documentation. Does anyone know if such a workaround exists, or is 5-button mouse functionality just not supported?
After adding usb.generic.allowHide equals true to the VMX file, just enable USB for that VM and then go to the Hardware Manager, Guest System, and scan for hardware changes. New USB devices will then be recognized by the VM, and after that your /forward button should work without deactivating the mouse in the host system.
Edit the VMX file while VM powered off, using Notepad, and add the following lines. Save file and exit Notepad.
For Workstation 10 you need another line in VMX than the previous suggestions. Now it's this URL.
Enable all mouse buttons globally for all VMS on your machine. Windows host. Add 2. This path might be different for you, depending on how VMware is installed. Completely restart your VM and VMware Workstation. Ubuntu host. Add, or create file if not available. 2. Completely restart your VM and VMware Workstation. Tested with Windows 10 host, VMware Workstation 15 and Ubuntu 16.04 guest.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.